Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel voidlooprobotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to develop STM32 UART Interrupt driver with DMA using STM32Cube IDE. So let us get started step by step. This is STM32Cube IDE. I will create here new project. So go to File and New and STM32 project. And click on board selector. I will select Nucleo board because of I am using STM32F411 Nucleo board. So Nucleo F411, okay, and select this one. And next, type here project name STM32 UART Interrupt with DMA, okay, and next, and finish, and yes. Okay, now go to pin out, here clear pin out, and yes. Okay, now go to connectivity, click on UART2, select as asynchronous. You can see UARTX and UART2 RX pins are assigned, PA2 and PA3 pin, okay. And here go to DMA setting, add here UART2 RX, and again add UART2 TX. Okay, now click on NVIC setting, just enable global interrupt and go to GPIO pin, okay, and parameter setting. Here you can see this is 115200 baud rate. You can change, but I will not change, and don't change rest of the setting. Now go to clock configuration. You can set according to your requirement. So I will enter here 16 megahertz, then it will adjust, okay, and go to pin and configuration. Now setting is done, just click on save and yes. Okay, now I'll remove these unnecessary lines. It is up to you, you can remove, otherwise you can left as it is. Okay, so first of all I will declare and define two variables. One variable is unsigned in tx data, okay. I will send from STM32 board, so it is 1 2 3 4 5, okay. Its size is 5, okay. Again I will create another variable. It is unsigned in RX data. Its size 100, okay. You can change according to your receive buffer size, okay. And now I will call here one function. It is hal UART ex receive to idle underscore DMA, okay, and pass here UART handler. It will receive the buffer, okay. It is address of UART handler and data. This is RX buffer and its size is 100 byte, okay. And now I will define its handler. So void hal underscore UART ex underscore rx event callback. Okay, and call here and pass here UART handler HUART and its size. Okay, and I will call again this function inside UART handler. Okay, so once receive interrupt will occur, then this handler will be called, and again this function will be called inside this handler. It means it will ready to receive again next interrupt from UART. Okay, so it will provide the buffer size. If you want, you can use. Okay, now I will send here continuously data from STM32 to PC through UART. So it will be hal UART transmit DMA. Okay, just I will copy and paste here Mrs. TX, and its size is 5 bytes. Okay, you can see here its size is 5 bytes. Okay, and I will use delay, hal delay with 1000 millisecond, means 1 second delay. So now our code is ready. I will once build this code. Okay, there is 0 warning and 0 errors. Okay, now I will open here doclite. I will set here tx test. I will send from PC to STM32 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and again tx test 2. I will send 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, we can increase its size. Okay, and now I will just click on debug. We will test with debug. Okay, select debugger here, ST-Link and scan. Board is connected, so this number is reflected, and apply and okay. Click on live expression, remove all these variables and copy this RS data and paste here. Okay, we will track this data. Okay, see, when I will resume this debugging, then it will send this number 1 2 3 4 5 from STM32 to this PC. Okay, so I will click on resume. Okay, so before this communication, we can set this setting. Comport 11 is okay, and our baud rate is 115200. So both are same, means it is okay. Okay, and now start resume. Okay, and go to dock light, start communication. You can see STM32 is sending 1 2 3 4 5 with 1 second delay, and I will send from dock light data. See, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and again I will send another data. This is 5 4 3 2 1. Okay. Okay, so both communication are working well. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.